Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest updates and features on WhatsApp Web. Today we're going to show you how to add a touch of creativity to your chat backgrounds by adding Doodles. This feature is a great way to personalize your conversations and make them more visually appealing. First, let's get started by opening WhatsApp Web on your PC. Simply head to web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're connected, you're ready to begin. Now, let's navigate to the Settings menu. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on this icon to open the Settings menu. From here, select the Chats option. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your chats. Next, click on Wallpaper. This is where you can change the background of your chats and add doodles. You'll see a variety of options for customizing your chat background, including different wallpapers and themes. To add doodles to your chat background, look for the option labeled WhatsApp Doodles. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Simply enable this checkbox by clicking on it. Once you've done this, your chat background will be adorned with fun and creative doodles. Adding doodles is a simple yet effective way to express your personality and make your chats more engaging. You can always go back to the wallpaper settings and disable the doodles if you change your mind. Experiment with different styles and designs to find the one that best suits your taste. By following these easy steps, you can add a personal touch to your WhatsApp web chats and make them stand out. Whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues, doodles can add a playful element to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of WhatsApp Web. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comments below. Enjoy customizing your chat backgrounds with Doodles.